Hi there, this is John Hyman from Commercial Real Estate Online, and welcome to the video show on YouTube. Indeed, if you haven't checked out our website before, you can do so at commercial-realestate-training.com, and at that website we share information for commercial real estate agents and brokers around the world in sales, leasing and property management. So in each particular show we like to focus into one topic, and today's topic is cold calling, particularly because the telephone is the most effective business tool that you have in brokerage today, and you should be using it in addition to the other things that you're doing. So here's the program, and I'll catch you at the other end. So 5 essential rules to successful cold calling in brokerage. What are they? How can you work with them? How can you optimize them for your business activities? Let's look at it. There are many ways to grow market share in brokerage today. Many ways. You should be working with probably 3 or 4. One should be the major method of contacting people, and then there should be 2 or 3 other ones that you use as well. As an agent or broker, you should select a few different methods of marketing and prospecting to run in parallel at the same time. Don't do too many things, just focus on a few. Consistency, professionalism and persistence will help your prospecting model improve over time. The active word there is consistency. You have to do it every day. Don't neglect it, because that one activity of prospecting and connecting with people every day will help you grow your business over time and in a good way. So, in summary, it's a very personal process that cannot be delegated, so don't try to pass it off onto someone else. It's also necessary to track and measure the results that you get in all types of prospecting and client control. Why would you track that? Because you can then make changes to grow your business, to connect with people more effectively. And changes always help when it comes to prospecting in brokerage. Going a bit further. At different times of the year, you will find certain methods of networking and prospecting are more successful than others when it comes to connecting with those new clients and finding listing opportunities. The process that you adopt should be quite specific, so that you understand it and you can work with it. It's your process, it's something that you will optimize, it's something that you will improve, and you will own the process. So, focus into your location and your property type as you connect with new people specifically and directly. Connect with new people because you need them. The people that you already know, some of them will eventually drop out of the market. So you need new people. Put new people at the beginning of your working day and connect with them using the telephone. So, here are 5 specific rules to help you connect with the right people in your location and lift your conversions as part of your cold call prospecting model. You should have one of those, and this can help you with that. Number 1, improving your voice and your dialogue. The process of making lots of calls requires communication confidence and relevance at a personal level. Now, it takes a degree of practice to get that confidence and that relevance into your conversation. You may need a script to get you started, but over time that script is not needed anymore because the confidence takes over, the conversation takes over, and you know how to speak to people professionally as an agent or a broker. But initially, take the time to practice your telephone dialogue at the start of every day before you reach the office. A short 15 minutes of practice at home each morning will help you improve your telephone call conversions to meetings in a significant way. It's easy. 15 minutes at home before you get to the office. Soon you'll be able to make your calls directly, professionally, and convincingly with confidence, and that's what you want. Number 2. Understand how you are improving over time in making your calls. So how do you do that? You can track and measure your results every day through a simple chart or tick box process. So what are you tracking? Well, small improvements will grow over time as you watch your numbers relating to outbound calls, successful contacts, meetings, and listing conversions. They're all numbers. The number of outbound calls is the first number. Maybe you make 50 outbound calls. From that, your successful contacts each day will be less, probably less than half. In other words, you won't reach everybody. But these numbers relate to meetings and then listing conversions. That's how you track your results and your ratios. Number 3, research the right people to talk to. Every evening you can spend a small amount of time in researching a fresh list of people to contact the next day. Focus on the segments of the property market and the locations that you understand. Get your research done at night when you have no pressure, perhaps sitting in front of the TV. It doesn't matter, but do it at night when the pressure is off. Reach out to the right people owning the best properties locally. Understand what they need when it comes to tenancy mix, investment outcomes, property choices, and return on investment. And of course, look for the property challenges that may be there with the people that you talk to. Ask questions. Be professional, be helpful, be direct, be relevant. Let's look at number 4. Number 4, understand the property type and also the people. That says, when talking to new people across the telephone, you will be questioned and probed by some. Expect that, because they're business people. In commercial real estate, many of the people that we work with and serve have a high degree of property understanding and good business knowledge. That will be a professional challenge for you, so accept that. That's where your confidence is important, to carry you through a conversation with a business person that already knows about cold calling and connecting with other people. Pitching and presenting your services should be taken to a whole new level of engagement, relevance, professionalism. That's how you work with highly professional business people. Pitching and presenting your services should be professional in every way possible. Now, you will be tested in many different ways when it comes to your business and your negotiation skills in the property industry. Testing is questions. They're going to ask you questions to see how you respond. That's why your dialogue has to be good, and that's why you practice your calls. Let's look at number 5. Establishing regular ongoing contact. It can take some months, if not years, to establish sufficient levels of trust and respect with some clients. That means quite a few calls, a lot of relevant information across the email or through the mail. That's where relevance kicks in. The commercial property industry is highly competitive, and some clients work with several agents at the same time. That's okay. The message for you is that you need to be more professional. In an aggressive and busy property market, you will have to rise to that occasion when it comes to providing professional skills and maintaining regular client contact. That's where the systems kick in. You can't do anything randomly in commercial real estate. Be direct, professional, and consistent. So, the question is, how can you improve your professional standing in the local area? You can answer that question through a bit of thought. How can you help the client understand that you have something valuable to provide when it comes to property sales, leasing, or property management? Think about those questions, because they will help your conversation proceed directly and with relevance. Let's go a bit further. How can you avoid the generic approach to commercial real estate? In other words, how can you get away from being average or ordinary? In the end result, the clients that we serve simply require a positive result in a timely way, but they do need to trust you. They do need to see that you're confident, strong, and relevant in the local area. So that will usually mean a good price or rent outcome together with a shorter time on market. Can you present your services around those things? What do you need to do to achieve those results for your clients? And of course, practice your property presentations and listing strategy with focus on positive client outcomes. So all of this is a professional prospecting system. Sure, the telephone sits at the front end of that, because the telephone is your business tool that you can use to get good results over time. From these 5 simple factors that I've mentioned, it is easy to see how you can improve your conversions, your conversations as part of cold call processing and prospecting in your business day. Put it into your business day. Don't avoid it. Get it done. Practice it. Get it underway. In commercial real estate, it is necessary to establish a personal prospecting system to drive new business logically and systematically. Get in front of the people. That's the message. So I've mentioned a good number of things here. Go over these slides again and think through the issues mentioned. Can you improve with what is mentioned here? Can you improve? Can you drive a better system of contacting people using the telephone? I'm sure you can. So that is the end of this particular video. That is the end of this video on YouTube. Of course, the topic was all about cold calling and how you can use the telephone more directly and professionally as part of your real estate business. Focus on being different, direct, and relevant. That's how you get results in commercial real estate today. So this is John Hyman. I'm signing off for now. Don't forget to visit the website, which is commercial-realestate-training.com, and pick up on the regular information that we're posting there every day regards property, commercial property, retail and industrial around the world. This is John Hyman signing off for now. I look forward to catching you again online. Catch you soon.